A large proportion of children have disabilities. Yet only 10% of congregations provide some care for children with disabilities. That's inadequate. So how does a congregation care for children with disabilities? Here are 5 suggestions. 1. Be proactive. Teach and model how to accept and accommodate one another. Pray for the children. Create support systems. Reassure and cheer on the parents. Connect members of the congregation as friends and mentors. 2. Be inclusive. Welcome and value children of all abilities. Parents know best. Ask them to help you integrate their children into your programs and activities. 3. Eliminate barriers. Provide easy physical access for wheelchairs, raise awareness in the congregation, make communication devices available, post schedules, and make adjustments in programs to facilitate the involvement of children of all abilities. 4. Provide sensory-friendly resources. Depending on their disability, some children need alternative environments or tools to help them cope. Include manipulatives, fidget toys, noise-cancelling headphones, wiggle cushions, weighted lap pads, and sensory toys in your toolbox or sensory-friendly room. 5. Care for the caregivers. Adults who look after children with disabilities 24/7 need short-term breaks to rest, recharge, and look after their own needs. Provide a support system that allows parents to attend church together without worrying about their children. When feasible, offer a few hours of safe childcare in an individual or group setting. Children in the margins matter to Jesus. Therefore, they should matter to us. So let's do what we can to ensure there's a church for every child.